Hey friends, let's do Say You Say Me guitar lesson by Lionel Richie. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And with this song we're going to capo on the first fret. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the G and we're just doing down strums for this first half, and we just have half a bar on the G, so 2 strums down. Then go to D over F sharp, do the same, 2 strums, half a bar. E minor, half a bar. Then we're going to go to D sus4, add 13, so just open D string, open G string, open B, and the 3rd fret on the E string, just do 1 strum there. And then we're going to a D, add 13. This time we've got the open D string. We're going to go the 4th fret on the G, open B, and 2nd fret on the E, and just 1 down strum there. Then to C, 2 down strums. D11, which is just open D, open G, 1st fret on the B, and open E, 2 down strums. And to G for a bar, so 4 down strums. And that's our intro there. Then from there we have our chorus. Let me play that for you. So the chord progression for the chorus stays exactly the same. The first line, the G for 2, D over F sharp, E minor, our D sus4 add 13, just 1 there, and then our D add 13, 1, to C 2, D11 2, and G for a bar. The next time through is exactly the same, except for our last G, we just do a 3 count. And then go to D over F sharp, and that's our chorus there. And then from there we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So it starts exactly the same at G again, D over F sharp, E minor, our D's 1 strum on each. This time we go to A minor for a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, G for 1, and then F for a count of 3, to D, 1 strum there, repeat it all again, G, D over F sharp, E minor, our D's, A minor, and then to finish this verse off, play the F. We're going to do a bar, 2, 3, 4, another 3 counts, 1, 2, 3, and then straight to D there. And that's our verse. Then we have the next chorus. Let's do that. So here we're going to throw in a strumming pattern. For each 2 count we're going to do a down, 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 up. So chord progression is going to stay the same. G, D over F sharp, E minor. Then we have our D sus4 add 13, just do the down, and then go to our D add 13 with our down, down, up, to our C half a bar. Our D11 half a bar, do G for half a bar, then go D, and then a D over F sharp. And then just repeat that all again, G, D over F sharp, E minor, our Ds, our C, our D11, and then just do G for a bar. And that's our chorus there. Then we have our next verse, and it's exactly the same as our previous verse. The only difference is the last two bars. This time we play the F just for a bar, then D for a bar. With the previous verse we did F for a bar plus 3 counts in the D. This time F for a bar, D for a bar. We also have these little solos at the start of the verse and the end of the verse. So our first solo, and this is without the capo, just in the D string 1, 3, G string 1, 3, slide up to 5, and that's at the start of that verse, and then we have a little solo at the end of the verse. So we're just bending B string 11 2 times, then do a bend and release and pull off to 9, and then do another bend on the 11. And they're the two little solo parts there. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. Then our next chorus will be the same as our previous, G, D over F sharp, E minor, our Ds, C, D11, to our G for half a bar, to the D over F sharp, do that again, G, D over F sharp, E minor, our Ds, to the C, to the D11. Now this time we go to the G, and we're going to do a build up. This is with a tempo change. Just stay on the G chord, all down strums, and just a bar there. Then we have the next part, we'll play that for you. So this is our bridge. We're just starting on the B flat, and we're going to do a down, 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 up to F. So just half a bar, same on the F. Down, 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 up. C the same, to G the same. Back to the B flat again, to the F again. Then we're going to come up to the D flat, then go to a D minor, back to the B flat, the F, the C, to the G. Then we just go back to the B flat, 4 down strums. We're slowing the tempo down here again. To C, just 3 down strums. To D, 4 down strums. And that's the acoustic. Now let's have a look at what the heavy guitar's doing for the bridge. So we're going to start on this A flat, and we'll just do an 8th count there, or just 8th notes for a bar, just to build up some palm muting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to play this B, play the root note first, just a B power chord, and then play the B power chord, so, and palm mute on that first note. Then just go to G flat once, come up to D flat, do the same root note, and then play the chord, and then to A flat. So we have. Then go back to the B, do the same again, to the G flat, then slide up to the 5th fret A, and then we're going to jump to 7B, 8 on the G, 8 on the D, and then 6 on the A. So then go back to the B, play it once, A string, 4, slide to 6, and play 4 on the D. Then go to the G flat, bar chord again, or sorry, power chord, palm mute, then off, and then do 4, slide to 6 on the E, 4 on the A. Then go to the D flat, power chord, play 6, slide up to 8 on the A, back to 6 on the D, and then go to the A flat, power chord, palm mute, then off. E string, 6, slide up to 8, and then 6 on the A, and then just finish on the B, come up to the D flat, and then just slide up to the 6th fret on the A string. So that last little part slowly. And that's our heavy guitar there. Then we have our last chorus. So we're just doing the same G, D over F sharp, E minor, now D chord, C, D11, G half a bar, D over F sharp, and repeat that through 2 times, and then after the second time just go to C, C over B, A minor 7, A minor 7 over G, and then finish on our G. So that last part from the G, D, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Say You, Say Me Guitar Lesson by Lionel Richie. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.